Hi friends, today I will show you how to use va-georg. So without wasting time, I will explain you how to use the va-georg. Okay, you know already va-georg. So va-georg and va-georg some difference is there. So I will explain how to use this in your IQ option platform or any binary option platform. You can use this signal to trade or filter the signals where you can trade. Okay, before I will go to the video, after 200 like I will release the next video. So I will explain to basic to advanced. Okay, without any money I will explain to free of cost. Okay, after 200 like I will go to the next video. Until I will not go. So please, if you like video, please subscribe and share, and also watch the full video. Without watching full video you don't know understand how to use this. So let's start video. So before going to va-georg, you have to know some basics candlestick, like already you know. Okay, please watch until the video. So in the Google you have to type va-georg. So you can see here there is a document type website. You can click this. After clicking this website, so there is a Google ask you Russia or English. You click the English. Okay, time frame is 1 minute. You can select your desired time frame. Number of a cluster you can set default. Okay, upset close it you can 0 default. In cluster calculation maximum. So you can click this. After I think you can select your desired currency. I will select RGP. Okay, you can select Euro USD. So after getting this, something you look like this. There is a time, there is a clusters, also there is a vertical cluster. You can see this. So problem is how use this. Okay, basically I will explain you. This is the cluster. There is some volume are here. Okay, you can see here 12 is volume. So totally depends upon how candle close. So there is a 50. Okay, this is the vertical volume. Okay, sorry, I mean horizontal volume. You can see there is a heavy volume are here. Okay, heavy volume are means there is a balance. There is a equal buyers and sellers are there. There means there is a huge orders from buyers and sellers, both parties. So this is the basic. Okay, you can see there is no volumes are here. I mean there is a resistance and support. It is a work as a resistance and support. Also you can use this horizontal volume. Okay, this is the cluster. There is a 37. Okay, this is also there is a cluster. There is a, so you can use this number to measure the strength of buyers and sellers in futures to trade the 1 minute candle. Also you have to look this horizontal volumes. There is a time, date also available. I will explain some points here. So every moment is a okay, there is a horizontal volumes are presenting there in the va-georg. You can see it is look like this. Okay, so also there is a clusters are there. Sorry for inconveniences, you have to look this correctly in va-georg. I only for example, this is like this. Okay, this type of volumes are here. So market is like this. So also you have to see there is a numbers are here 30, 40, 50 like this is the numbers are here. Okay, market is actually make some imbalanced here, I mean volume here. So market always respect to this volumes retesting again and again. So you have to only take in this religion, you have to take in this religion according to the clusters. So when market make this, market comes down like this and go to the retest. When retest is coming, the market showing some weakness. So if this, sorry, I will explain. When showing this, so you can see here market some showing some signal when touch this. Okay, some weakness in this candle. After when you get this weakness, some small candle here, there is also some weakness in strength. So this is the signals are here because weakness in seller's candle. So when weakness in candle's candle, you can take here trade to seller's candle. So this is the strategy are here available. You have to wait for correct strategy. Also when make this happens here, you can look the clusters numbers 50, 40, 30, 12 like this. There is a like this. Also you have to look the small candles to trade here. I will show in example here. Okay, so this is the basic points you have to note in your notebook. Also you have to pay attention some support and resistance. Okay, I will take a trade. You can look here, I will explain you. So this is the, I will again start. You can see here, this is the volume, the buyers and sellers are controlled here. You can see here 7, 6. Okay, when touch this number, there is a sellers are entered. Okay, you can see there is a huge buyers are here 240. Okay, this is type of D type. Okay, when come this market, when market came here, the market should respect this level. So always you don't win this trade because of the sentiment in the market. You some consistently money if you follow these steps. Okay, I will show you how to take trade in after 200 like in this video. I will explain you how to take a trade. Okay, this is the basic. You know, this is the horizontal volume. There is no volumes are here, there is a volumes are here. You can also, there is a huge buyers. When testing this level, you mark your level, the you have to mark this level in your IQ option or binary option trading platform. After retesting this, you can also pay attention to these clusters because clusters showing the sign of strength or weakness in buyers and sellers. Okay, this is very important to in trading. Okay, you can see here there is no volumes are here, but there is some volumes are coming here. Also there is a volumes. When touch these volumes, you can see, also pay attention to the levels. You can see there is no sellers are available. Sellers are available in this candle. Okay, market definitely come this in this level. After test this level, you have to look for this cluster and trade. Okay, market is coming here. You can see there is no volume circle here. Okay, you have to pay attention to this. #61, #62, there is a number. Okay, you can see, look here in the bottom of candle, there is a accumulate happens here. Okay, accumulate. Yeah, you can go to it buyers because of this accumulation, this volumes, and also there is a equal sign of buyers and sellers here. Okay, you can buy this candle for 1 minute because of this candles are here. So after 68 there is 74, and also there is 74 because of this volume. There is a accumulate from buyers. Always go with some marginal safety for your safety trade. Okay, because of this accumulation in volume, this 80-85% is the buyers candle will happen because of this candle. And also there is a, you can see this is a buyers candle. You can sell this candle. You can sell this candle because of buyers are no sign strength here. After break this level, okay, after break this level, there is a volumes are here, and sellers are accumulating top to retest this level, but there is a no sign of buyers are showing here. Then that why I will sell this candle, some marginal safety, but this is the going upside. Okay, don't worry, you have to trade like this, you have to analyze like this. This is very important. I think you understand what I am saying you. So after 200 like, I will explain you how to trade correctly, and I will explain two strategies here. So please watch video until finishing. If you don't watch until you don't understand what I am saying you. Thank you.